spoken. I asked you guys what you guys wanted to see built on this channel, and the majority of you said you guys wanted to see Stormbreaker, so why not? I also sent out a poll on the Gadgetsmith Discord about what you guys wanted me to make next, either a Captain America shield or a Winter Soldier arm. If you want your input on that decision, go ahead and click the link in the description below to the Discord. It's a whole lot of fun, and it's a great way for your input to be seen on my channel. Also, I got a Patreon. Even if you're not going to join any of the tiers, just a small peek at the Patreon would mean a lot to me. I offer a bunch of perks, including early access to videos, exclusive videos, benefits on the Discord, and even the first line of Gadgetsmith merch. Yeah, I'll be sending more details about that soon on my next videos. So yeah, whenever you can, follow the link below. You guys have been sending me all the quick inventions and projects that you guys have been making, and I gotta say, they are all awesome. I love looking through them and seeing what you guys could come up with, so I thought I'd feature them. Let's check them out. Are sick. Keep them coming, guys. I love seeing what you guys come up with, and I'll keep featuring them. Now, with that being said, let's build this thing. much it. It's a really simple build, and it's mostly just cardboard and glue put together. I added some dark gray paint, dark gray tape, and a bit of black and brown paint, darker brown paint on the hilt of the axe to give it a more, to give it some texture. But other than that, it's pretty much done. Let's take a look. And that's it for today, everybody. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you have any ideas for what I should build next, feel free to drop those ideas in the comment section below. I love seeing what you guys could think of, and I will keep following your ideas. If you guys have any inventions or projects that you want me to see, go ahead and send them my way through Instagram or Discord, and I'll just keep featuring them because I love seeing what you guys could make. And yeah, join the Discord, link below. Check out my Patreon, link also below, and yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Peace.